What if death wasn't the end? What if you could leave your fragile human body behind and step into a digital world where your mind could live forever? No more sickness, no more aging, just pure consciousness, existing inside a machine. It sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but believe it or not, some of the smartest people on Earth are working to make this a reality. The idea is called mind uploading, and if it ever becomes possible, it could change what it means to be human. But here's the real question. Is this even possible? And if it is, what would it actually mean for us? To understand mind uploading, we first have to understand how the brain works. Your brain isn't just a lump of tissue, it's an incredibly complex network of about 86 billion neurons, each sending electrical signals to thousands of others. Every memory you have, every thought, every emotion, it's all stored in the connections between these cells. The theory behind mind uploading is simple. If we could map every single neuron and synapse in your brain, we could recreate that exact same network inside a computer. If we got it right, your digital brain would think, feel, and remember just like your biological one. But here's where things get tricky. The human brain is unbelievably complicated. We're not just talking about a lot of data, we're talking about trillions of connections, constantly changing as we learn and experience new things. Right now, we don't even have the technology to scan a living brain in that much detail. The best we can do is study tiny pieces of brain tissue under powerful microscopes, and even that takes years of work. Some scientists believe we'll need quantum computers, machines far more advanced than what we have today, just to simulate a single human brain. And then there's the biggest mystery of all. Consciousness. We still don't fully understand how a bunch of electrical signals creates the feeling of being you. If we copied your brain perfectly, would the digital version actually be conscious? Or would it just be a hollow imitation, like a robot pretending to be human? Some philosophers argue that true uploading would require more than just copying the brain. It might require transferring your consciousness in a way we don't yet understand. Despite these challenges, some researchers believe mind uploading could happen within this century. Companies like Neuralink are developing brain implants that could one day let us merge with computers. Other projects, like the Blue Brain Initiative, are using supercomputers to simulate small sections of animal brains in the hopes of one day scaling up to humans. There's even a field called cryonics, where people pay to have their brains frozen after death in case future technology can revive or upload them. But even if the science works, the ethical questions are massive. If you upload your mind, who owns that digital version of you? Could someone delete it, hack it, or force it to work without rest? Would uploaded minds have legal rights, or would they just be treated as software? And what happens if you make copies of yourself? Which one is the real you? Then there's the personal side. Would life inside a computer even feel like life? Sure, you might never die, but would you miss the simple things like the smell of rain, the taste of your favorite food, or the feeling of hugging someone you love? Would you still be you, or would you become something else entirely? Some people think mind uploading is the next step in human evolution, a way to leave our weak bodies behind and become something greater. Others believe it's a dangerous fantasy, something that could erase what makes us human in the first place. One thing's for sure, if we ever do crack the code to upload a human mind, the world will never be the same. So what do you think? Would you take the leap and upload your brain if you could? Or is there something about being human that should stay only human? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of consciousness, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mind-blowing explorations.
Hey there, if you're enjoying this video and appreciate the effort behind it, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Oh, and one more thing, share this video with your friends. Spread the love and support. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Let me know if you want any tweaks.